The world of tourism is witnessing a revolution driven by the adoption of cryptocurrencies that is redefining luxury and exclusivity in travel. The integration of these digital currencies in the tourism industry is providing travelers with unprecedented luxury experiences, where discretion, exclusivity, and efficiency are the norm. Cryptocurrencies, by eliminating intermediaries and reducing transaction costs, are opening new doors for opulent travel that once seemed inaccessible. Thousands of pioneering companies are adopting Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins to book everything from private jet flights to stays in 5-star hotels and exclusive venues. This not only simplifies financial transactions, but also provides an extra layer of privacy for clients who value discretion. In addition, some of these companies offer rewards and loyalty programs based on cryptocurrencies, which further encourages their use in frequent and high-profile travel. Personalization is another luxury that cryptocurrencies are making easier in the tourism sector. Through smart contracts, travelers can design experiences that fit their tastes and preferences perfectly, ensuring that every aspect of the trip aligns with their expectations. That level of personalization, accessible through blockchain technology, is setting a new standard in luxury travel. Beyond logistics, cryptocurrencies are also influencing how destinations attract high-net-worth visitors. Places like Dubai and Monaco are starting to accept cryptocurrencies not just in their airlines or hotels, but also in high-end restaurants, exclusive boutiques, and elite events, creating an ecosystem where luxury and cryptocurrencies go hand in hand. That synergy between cryptocurrencies and luxury tourism isn't just a passing trend, it's a movement that's shaping the future of travel. Interesting, don't you think? You can't imagine how millionaires use their cryptos here. What did you think? Go to tokenlabs.network and create your own token or meme coin. Remember to follow us.